MotoCheez. Yeah.
What's up, mini truck? Come on, mini truck, I need you. First start of the year. Since last fall, anyway. Look at that. It's amazing what that little primer button does. You are a dirty girl. You got a flat tire too, it feels. Yep. Gotta do a dump run, Mini. Poor mini truck's gotta sit outside. I'm gonna put a cover over you next year, or you're going inside somewhere, Mini. Jeez, cobwebs and everything. I'm sorry, girl. You deserve better. Yes, you do. I don't know what shape this jet ski is gonna be in, boy. Probably not great. I gotta move that first. Maybe if I can just swing this around enough. Oh, this has been here a while. I saw you. Definitely needs, oh, that's off the rim. Yeah, we'll just pull it as it is. Thank you, Minnie. I'll need you again soon. Well, that one stayed on the bead. Wow. 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 That tire doesn't look terrible. Let's try the other one. I'm afraid to look under there if the mice tore this up or not. Have to use the air beater for show. The rims don't even feel bad. Let's get that beater. Now I should be able to roll this thing around. Oh, there's some dry rot. I'm surprised they're not in worse shape. Hope this is all good. The impeller and the shaft in there, or the impeller chute, you know. Well, here goes nothing. Ah. This is garbage, so I'll sweep all this in there. Did they get in there? Oh, there's a nest over there, you little prick. Yep, you wonder how the heck they get in there, but boy, they figure out a way. They sure do. She might clean up again, boys. Phew. Oh, God. The end of the tether.
If I ever say that I hate mice, I think I've mentioned that before. Look, it turned over. There's hope. Man, I had this motor all nice and cleaned up when I rebuilt it. New piston and rings, put new motor mount. She's an antique now, boys. 30 years old. Knock, knock, mother effers. I'm not done with you yet. Oh, I got some more over here, huh? That might be how they're getting in there. Picked this up for 500 bucks 15 years ago or so. It was a good deal then. Not sure about what it is right now. In this condition anyway. That's the exhaust. I hope nothing went up in there, and probably did, but let's hope it gets blown out when I start it. I think the rest is gonna have to be done with a hose.
It's nasty.
What's the matter? You don't like it?
No, it looks like it's full of mold and...
Oh, I mean, once it's cleaned up.
We'll see.
Only one plug. Figures. Yay. Mouse pissy water blowing on me.
Came all the way upstairs to yell at me. Dang it, I just got out here! Well, God. Sorry, I'm scared to take you off. No.
Yeah.
I thought I did.
You have a munchkin cat, you said?
No, I have a tuxedo cat. She's mostly
Oh,
black,
tuxedo.
better, but the whole underneath of her is white. Her claws are white. Oh, baby,
We had a GPS on the harness too.
I need to get one of those. Have a good night, you guys.
Too.
You too. I don't have a battery, but I bet you I'm gonna have to jump it from there. I don't know if I'd wear that driving around delivering. Holy shit. Pull the plugs, I guess. Look in there. Get out of the way just in case it splashes. Damn. Wow, a lot of oil down there. Huh, must have laid down in that jug, huh? The hell did all that oil get in there? Because I had it sticking in the air? All that cleaning for nothing. Look how nice and clean it was. Let's see. Little ether. Mm-hmm. Come on, baby. I didn't turn the gas on. This old motor I rebuilt, painted it all up nice and purty. Look at it. Little fuel filter. Just put some more 2-stroke oil in there because it was pretty low. I gotta put a clamp, I guess. Look at it. Doesn't even smell bad. Crazy. Let's see if there's anything. Ooh, getting there. The oil keeps fouling it. I don't know how much is in there, man, but wish I had those old school oil fouling plugs. Oh yeah, see, it's now it's mixed with gas.
The next day.
I had to move it over here because all the smoke was going in the garage. I was smoking mama out. So this sat all night. I already started it, but I mean, as soon as I hit the key, it started. Check it out. Billy lent me a battery so I could try it down in my pond, but I don't have a drain plug. Watch this. My power trim don't work, but that didn't work before. So I got to get another piece of rope for the tether, something pretty good. And I am ready to do a little bit of a water test on the trailer. I'm just going to back it into my pond, start it, and rev it up and let it warm up, make sure the pissers are working. I might even drive it around the pond a few times. Then we'll do a lake run. Not 100% sure that it's still not leaking in there, but it did overnight and didn't hydraulic lock, so that's a good sign. And it's smoking less and less.
There's literally a fox running past me. It's literally 10 feet away from me. Yeah, but this is unusual. It doesn't look too healthy. All right, don't even think about it, Kitty. Gizmo, no.
Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Hit that bell if you want new notifications on new videos. Links for products used are in the description and on MotoCheez.com. Thanks for watching.